Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to compare the iQOO 9 SE device versus iQOO 9 device. Which phone is really the best option to buy right now? Yes friends, recently I'm getting plenty of comments regarding this iQOO 9 SE and the iQOO 9 device. So which phone should you buy? So that's what I'm getting so many comments on this one particular question. So right now I do have the iQOO 9 SE with me. Unfortunately, I did order the iQOO 9 device, but because of the exchange did not go well, that's the reason I did cancel my iQOO 9 device. Yes, when there's been some kind of scam is going on with the Amazon exchange during the process, so I did upload a separate video on that particular topic, so make sure to check out the video. So I did not get this iQOO 9 device, unfortunately. So right now I do have the iQOO 9 SE device, which I'm very much happy with this device. Yes friends, absolutely. I'll do explain a couple of things as well, what you need to take care between this both phone. And one quick note, there are only few reasons why you should update to the iQOO 9 device instead of iQOO 9 SE device. So nothing much regarding the performance. Performance wise, don't think much between these both phones friends. Snapdragon 888 Plus and Snapdragon 888 processor, so definitely absolutely same type. Nothing much huge difference you're gonna notice. So maybe with the benchmarks you might notice slightly 10,000 more or maybe 20,000 more. Apart from that, nothing is there. And Battlegrounds mobile game default 90 FPS you can play in this device. That's only one advantage which is there in the iQOO 9 device. When you compare with the iQOO 9 SE, even in the iQOO 9 SE you can play it 90 FPS by using the game frame interpolation which is present here. As you can see, by using this option you can play it 90 FPS. That's something you should know. Maybe with the future updates also the phone might get the 90 FPS. So that's only one change with the processor. Apart from that, there's nothing much major difference you're gonna notice. Same heating problems will be there between these both processors. And regarding the heating problems, the Snapdragon 888 processor is slightly kind of optimized more than the 888 Plus processor, because more phones did use this Snapdragon 888 processor. Definitely friends, the processor this will be really optimized and well maintained than the 888 Plus chipset. That's something you should definitely understand. So regarding this performance matter, you won't notice much difference regarding this both phones regarding the performance. Next thing is about the display, completely same, nothing much huge difference with the display. Also same kind of UFS storage, enhanced performance, say everything is completely same is there between these two phones. And next thing is the battery backup. Battery backup, you might get slightly less battery backup in the iQOO 9 device because of less battery capacity. And fast charging you are getting, that's another good thing, fast charging which can charge in 20 minutes of time in the iQOO 9 device, whereas this phone has got 4500 mAh of battery capacity, which can get easily up to close to 6 to 6.5 hours of screen on time. Not bad. So definitely friends, fast charging is, I think it takes about 35 minutes of time to charge completely 100% in this iQOO 9 SE device. In the iQOO 9 device it takes about close to 18 to 25 minutes, somewhere around that kind of time regarding the charging speed. Next thing I forgot to mention regarding the display, slight advantage where it has got 10-bit AMOLED panel, little bit advantage is there in terms of the display. So other things like both phones I do have the 300Hz touch sampling rate. Same kind of touch sampling rate can be found between this iQOO 9 SE device and the iQOO 9 device. 300Hz and 1000Hz instant touch sampling rate. Nothing much more major differences. And 40 vibrations will be there. Same kind of linear motor vibrations which is present here. Same kind of vibrations will be there. Dual speaker setup. And next thing is about camera. So camera slight advantage for the iQOO 9 device, which has got the gimbal stabilization camera. That's slight advantage in this device. Apart from that, it also got the 2x optical zoom as well. That's also present in this device. So camera wise, maybe slight improvement you can actually observe in the iQOO 9 device. That's something you should know. And both phones they do have the MEMC feature, 60 FPS to 90 FPS in terms of boosting the frame rates. That's also present. So no issues with that. Overall friends, definitely the throttling will be there in this device also. Yes, with the Snapdragon 888 Plus, it can be slightly more than this Snapdragon 888 processor as well. But overall, you can see this is a throttling result in the Snapdragon 888 chipset. So in the 888 Plus also, it will be slightly kind of more than usual. That's something you should know about the CPU throttling. But overall friends, the things which I did like in the iQOO 9 SE are fast charging, 120 watts, and gimbal stabilization camera is there, and 10-bit panel, slight advantage little bit. But if you ask me, is it worth to spend that much of money on this iQOO 9 device? Like, if you have the budget and if you're really interested in the gimbal stabilization camera, then go for it. If you're not having that much of budget, then definitely friends, iQOO 9 SE is one of the best phone you can actually buy for about 30,990 rupees in the Amazon sale, because right now there is a 3,000 rupees discount is going on. So 30,990 will be the price of this device. That's really very good deal for the Snapdragon 888 chipset. That's really good advantage. This is the final conclusion, friends. I've been using this device for the past 5 days, and regarding the performance, it's really very good. Yes, there are a couple of heating problems, but hopefully with the next software updates they can be fixed. So that's what we are actually expecting. So this difference, apart from this, I did not notice any kind of major differences between these both phones. So final conclusion is that go for the iQOO 9 SE device and save some money, or maybe if you have the more budget, then definitely go for the iQOO 9 device because of gimbal stabilization and 10-bit display panel and slightly kind of fast charging, which is there 120 watts. If you want those, you can definitely select the iQOO 9 device. As I said, unfortunately I did cancel my order. I was expecting the order, friends. I'm not sure why. Like, there was some problem with the exchange, the verification got failed and everything. Otherwise I could have completely reviewed this iQOO 9 device exactly the same way I'm reviewing the iQOO 9 SE. We could have got to know more and more details. But right now, that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have other questions, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Until then, bye.